In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my avatar in Facebook Messenger. By the end, you will have a fresh new look that appears whenever you chat. To begin, open Messenger on your phone. When the app loads, you should see your recent conversations list with chat bubbles on the left and contact names on the right. Make sure you are signed into the account where you want to change the avatar, because the avatar follows that profile across your devices. Once Messenger is open, tap the menu icon. On most phones, this is in the top left or top right corner of the screen. After you tap it, a side or full screen menu opens, showing options like your profile, settings, and features such as calls or stories. If you do not see the menu icon at first, wait a second for the screen to finish loading, then it should appear. From there, click Settings. The Settings area usually shows your profile picture or initials at the top, with different sections like Account, Preferences, and Notifications listed below. When you are in the right place, you will be able to scroll through a list rather than chat messages. Beginners sometimes tap their profile photo instead of settings, so double check that the word settings is selected. Now scroll down and look for the preference section. Scroll slowly so you do not skip past it, since the list can be longer on some accounts. Under preference, you typically see options that control how Messenger looks and behaves for you, rather than account security or privacy. When you can read the word preference as a section label, you know you are in the correct part of the settings. Under Preference, tap Avatar. Right after you tap Avatar, a new screen opens with a preview of your current avatar, or a blank starting character if you never made one. You may also see a small icon showing that avatars can appear across Meta apps. This screen is where all your visual changes will happen. Next up, tap Edit Avatar or a similar button that appears there. The wording might be slightly different, like edit or customize, but it will always sit close to the avatar preview. Once you tap it, the editor view opens, and the avatar becomes larger, with several option categories along the bottom or side of the screen. You can move between these categories while you experiment. Now change your hairstyle. The Hairstyle tab usually shows rows of hair options, including short, medium, and long styles. Tap through until you find one that feels close to you. Many users do not realize you can adjust the hair color separately, so take a second to explore both style and color before you move on. After that, adjust your face shape. The face section lets you pick from different outlines that change the jaw, cheeks, and overall structure. When you tap a new face shape, the preview updates immediately so you can compare a few before deciding. If something looks off, just tap another shape. Nothing is permanent yet. With the face set, choose your skin tone. This tab shows a gradient of tones from lighter to darker. Tap one and your avatar instantly updates. Matching your real tone can help friends recognize you more easily, but you can also pick any tone you prefer for fun. Now select your clothes. In the clothing section, you will see full outfits or tops and bottoms depending on the current version of Messenger. Tap an outfit and your avatar changes clothes in the preview window. If you scroll, more choices appear, including casual, formal, and seasonal looks. A detail many people miss is that some outfits slightly change the overall vibe of the avatar, so try a few. Next, add or adjust accessories. Here you can choose extras like glasses, hats, or earrings depending on what is available. Each accessory appears on the avatar as soon as you tap it, so you can quickly see whether it suits the hairstyle and clothes you picked. If something feels too busy, simply tap a different option or remove it to return to a cleaner look. Once you are happy with everything, tap Save. After you tap Save, the editor closes and you return to the avatar screen, now showing your updated character. The new avatar is stored automatically, so the next time you open a chat or a sticker tray that uses avatars, you will see this new version instead of the old one. You have just updated your Facebook Messenger avatar from start to finish, giving your chats a new personal look. So if this helped you refresh your style, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe if you want more simple Messenger guides like this.